Alright, we're going to try this out. We're heating up the bottle right now. We're going to try the bang button. We're just about ready to do this. I don't have race fuel. So what we did was we bought some of this and we put a little additive in there, a little octane boost for now. We don't have a full tank, but we have a couple of gallons in there, like maybe 2 or 3 gallons. So we did put a little bit of this in there. And we also put a little bit of this inside the nitrous fuel cell, this 1 gallon fuel cell. We put some in here. So we're going to seal this up because we're actually going to try the bang button. We already tried the retard without the system being armed. In other words, without the nitrous squirting nitrous in it or fuel. We were able to just touch the micro switch with the timing light. Okay, we got the timing light here. We had the timing light on there already, and it is retarding. So we have it retarding 6 degrees right now. So we're gonna get her fired up. Okay, we actually got our carburetor fuel gauge inside now that we bought this isolator, the fuel isolator. Okay, we got that all hooked up. We got the gauge inside, and right now Dustin's heating up the bottle. We're trying to bring the pressure up. At least maybe 900, 950 like it's supposed to be. We're going to get it there. We have a valve up front that we could seal that line, and we could open the bottle here and see where it's at. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to do the purging too. Let me lower this a little bit. Okay, here we go. Nitrous is working. I don't know, Donald. I don't know what to tell you, bro. You better hope I don't show up at Echo.